咁我哋今日咧就講下 money and banking 呢一課啦，主要就講下一啲 money 嘅 function 啊，money 嘅quality 啦，有咩口訣啦，講下 liquidity 啦，跟住又講下即係一啲好 general，例如係其他 gold 啊、diamond 啊，佢哋可以 perform 到嘅嘢。咁啊，最尾就講下呢個 HKMA 咁樣啦。首先 first of all 啦，就喺 barter economy 咧，就有幾條問題想問大家。大家覺得呢、這個without scarcity 係咪 interest 咧？係咪會 exist 咧？咁咧其實係 false 嘅，因為咧嗰、個首先啦，呢一個咧其實嗰個 interest 啊，點解會有 interest 啊？係因為有 economic good， 就因為咧全部咧，應該可以咁樣講 ，not all wants are satisfied，咁可能有啲 competition 啦，咁啊有啲 choice 啦，咁呢個嘅前提咧就係因為佢 all goods 啦都唔係 free good。咁其實點解我會咁樣講？好似講得有啲奇怪。咁其實我個人咧就好中意用呢一個 free goods 咧，係去諗好多嘢。例如啦，佢問你如果冇 economic good 係點樣啦？咁就係全部都係 free good 咯。如果咧好多嘢其實都係論到你冇 free good 嘅喎，例如係 interest 啦，點解你會 interest 啊？首先你就係因為你唔係全部都係 free good 啦，咁你就會有係 economic good 啦。咁所以咧，你就要 make choice 啦，就會有 scarcity 啦，有 scarcity 又有 competition 啦，咁啊可能要犧牲啲嘢啦，咁啊你先要 exchange 嘛，咁你就會 exchange 裏邊就有啲 interest involved 啦，例如係即係有機會佢會問到啦 DSE 就係講緊點解佢唔會想有個100蚊啊？佢借100蚊。係100蚊還，咁係點解啊？咁第一樣嘢就係 people 係 impatient to wait 啦。咁同埋咧，佢係都想咧係 receive 呢一個嘅 compensation 啦，for late consumption。係啦，咁其實咧，佢咧因為佢哋會想有一啲 compensation，咁啊有 interest 呢啲啦，咁啊都係交易嘅前提咁樣嘅。呢個係諗一諗到一啲貼題咁樣啦。咁 OK，咁點解 without scarcity interest still exist 啊？咁係錯啦，因為咧諗翻到頭先啦，就係 all wants are being satisfied。咁你仲需唔需要 interest 咧？就係唔需要啦。咁你就隨手都可以拎到，咁你仲需要咩 interest 啦？如果你冇咗呢個 scarcity，咁所以咧 interest 咧係會 exist 嘅，係唔會 exist 嘅。咁啊，may inflation exist in barter economy no 啦，因為咧你可以諗話 barter economy 咧其實有錢嘅喎，佢哋係有 relative price 嘅喎。咁佢冇啲咩啊？咁點解佢哋唔會有 inflation？因為咧嗰個 inflation 嘅定義係 persistently increase 嗰個 price level of most of the goods and services。咁啊意味住啲咩咧？就係講緊你好多嘅貨品啊嘛，係會同時升個 price level 啊嘛。我當你 relative price 係一個 price 啊，咁但係你一個升咗，咁就變咗一個貴嘅咯喎。因為你交易嘅前提，即係例如佢係一個 barter economy 啦，我係想要一個蘋果，咁大家對蘋果個價值高咗啦。咁如果佢要換一個橙咧，咁啊相對橙嗰個價值咪死咗咯。 好啦，到 function of money 啦，咁咧就有4樣嘢嘅。呢個有冇口訣咧？暫時未有，但係下面嗰個有，係啦。咁咧 function of money 咧就有4樣，咁大家都應該學咗，就係 medium of exchange 啦，to facilitate people buying and selling of goods and services 啦，跟住 store of value 啦，就 store 呢個 purchasing power 啦，咁個 keywords 嚟嘅。咁例如佢可能會有一啲 interest 啦，咁可能咧就可以有更加好嘅 per store value 啦，因為佢嘅 purchasing power 會 increase 喎。但係如果咧係喺一個之後會講噶啦，貶值啊，或者係啦，之後會講噶啦，呢個係啦 recession 咧，咁咧就有機會咧令到個 purchasing power 咧係會有一個影響，賣個關子俾大家。跟住 unit of account 啦，咁就係佢可能會 show 個價錢出嚟嘅。咁咧同埋 standard of deferred payment 啦，咁多數咧呢一個就係喺信用卡裏邊可以體現到嘅，因為你係將來先需要俾翻錢噶嘛，係啦。咁就如果你呢個有 money 啦，咁你就唔需要一個 common measure 嘅 ratio 啦，唔需要有橙同蘋果，亦都唔需要 double coincidence，因為咧你唔需要兩個同時巧合，你可以你想要就買咁樣啦。跟住就到 qualities of good money 啦，咁咧就有個口號，唔係口訣，就叫 GPS HDD。GPS 即係雷達咁樣啦，即係定位啊，係啦，定位啊，同埋 HDD 啦。其實你讀多幾次你就記得㗎。咁G 就係 for generally accepted 啦 as medium of exchange to facilitate people buying and selling of products 啦。Profitable 啦就係 can be carried out for large transaction 喎。咁咧 large transaction 即係例如咧，黃金同埋呢一個 bank notes 咁樣啦。咁其實唔係我諗下先 check 呢個 check 同 bank note，咁係邊個好啲啊？咁check 啦，因為佢係更加 portable 啦。你其實一張 check 就 OK 嘅咯喎。黃金咧係好重嘅，所以其實咧佢係好唔 portable 咯。跟住就到 S 啦，咁 stable in value，佢 relatively scarce，記得要講個 relative 係啦。OK， 跟住 HDD 啦 ，homogeneous， 佢有 uniform 咧，即係一樣嘅 physical characteristic 喎，係啦。例如係佢哋係咪睇落去一樣啊？黃金咪一樣啦。divisible 咁例如係 chair 啦，咁佢哋係咪可以鋸開咧？唔可以鋸開啦，係嘛？佢可唔可以 divide into smaller unit without losing its value？ 係啦。durable 啦，例如水果啊、potato 呢啲就會好容易 perishable 咯。liquidity 呢個定義可以記一記，咁咧就係講緊嗰個 the ease of a particular asset converted into cash and other assets。哇！呢個串錯字，不過大家應該 OK。At short notice without losing its value， 咁點樣記咧？我通常就咁樣嘅，咁樣鋸開啦。我就記 the ease of a particular asset converted into cash or other assets， 即係你可以轉做 cash 啊嘛 ，cash 係最 liquidity 㗎嘛。Or can be exchanged for 一啲 goods and service 啦，喺短時間之內，同埋係 without a loss 嘅。頭先講咗呢個 liquidity 啦，就係 cash over 呢一個 demand deposit、saving deposit。點解啊？demand deposit 係啦 ，demand deposit 咧就係有 check 嘅。咁你又可以用 check 嚟去交易咁樣啦，咁你幾快啦。但係 saving 咧佢就冇 check 嘅喎，佢就係得二辦事喎。佢仲要咧有啲餐廳咧係會收，即有啲餐廳咧係會收貴你嘅，或者係話達到某一個金額先可以俾你去用 EPS。咁點解啊？因為咧 EPS 咧其實佢會收翻啲利息嘅，咁可能你100蚊裏邊淨係得98蚊係可以拎到 即係被上架，咁所以佢就貴少少啦。咁 time deposit 同埋 NCDs 啊，OK 呢個係錯嘅，調轉咗，咁應該係 NCD 先嘅，因為咧 NCD 係 transferable 嘅，話有呢個 time deposit 就唔可以啦。跟住 shares 啦，就係佢咧香港嘅市場就係你一定要2日之後先可以拎到。咁啊 gold 咧就係因為佢有啲買溢價啦，咁可能就你買出買入咁樣，可能相差好貴嘅價錢嘅，咁所以咧就你多數都唔會換佢啦。咁啊最後一個就係樓啦，因為樓咧你一嚟你成個步驟係 involve 好長嘅時間，咁你相比呢個 gold 咧，可能只會係錯少少，即係蝕少少咁就唔同，因為佢係要 involve 好長嘅時間嘅。好啦，頭先講到啦 recession 有咩 function of money 係 weakened 咧？咁其實有兩個嘅，第一樣嘢就係 medium of exchange 啦，可能咧就係有啲 multinational firm 啊，就唔再接受呢個貨幣，因為覺得佢好 volatile， 係啦，咁啊 reject to 接受啦。volatile 嘅 multinational firm may not accept 咁樣，跟住 store of value 咁就係例如係 local currency 咧，因為佢 recession 啊嘛，咁 local currency 就貶值啦，in terms of other currency 啦，咁佢個 purchasing power，因為頭先都講咗呢個store of value 咧，其實係諗到咧 purchasing power，咁咧佢 in terms of foreign 嘅 goods and service 就會 decrease 啊，係啦，咁點樣背啊？唔使點背噶啦，你就咁 value of 呢個 local currency purchasing power 係啦，咁你理解咗佢 value of local currency decrease in terms of 啲咩 purchasing power decrease in terms of 啲咩係啦。咁 MC 有時會講到呢一個字就係 intrinsic value，咁啊同埋呢個 commodity 就係呢一個商品啦。咁咩叫 intrinsic value 咧？咁就係講緊佢內在嘅價值。例如一個商品係一個米咁樣啦，佢幾多錢？佢喺 barter econ 裏面，佢就係用嗰個價值。咁但係如果你 cash 咧，你嘅價值咧，內在價值係零嘅喎。即係例如你去打仗啦，咁你唔會即係你可能已經燒晒啲錢啦，咁你就嗰個 intrinsic value 就係零咯，因為你根本就用唔到落去做咩。咁但係你起碼其他嘢可以攞嚟食啊，又可以攞嚟換。咁所以個 cash 咧，其實個 face value 咧係大過個 intrinsic value 係啦。即係例如佢50蚊就真係50蚊，但係佢本身個紙咧係可能係冇乜 value。咁但係人咧，如果要去用 cash，點解會用 cash 啊？佢唔係睇 face value，係因為咧係睇 purchasing power 嘅，係啦。咁啊記得啦。咁啊 concept 啦，個 value of 呢個 money 係 reflected by 咩啊？係咪佢本質嘅價，定係佢面值50蚊就50蚊啊？咁定係佢 purchasing power，咁就係佢 purchasing power 啦。係，因為你用佢面值其實未必買到嘢，咁你要個 money 嚟做咩咧？就係買嘢嘛。係啦，咁係咯，就係要個 purchasing power 啦。咁跟住咧就係 nowadays，佢哋咧就會用一啲 credit card 同埋 coins 啦，去 make phone call 啦，去 for 呢個 public telephones 係啦。咁咧嗰啲 telephone company accepts the use of credit cards for phone calls 係因為咩咧 ？credit card 係咪一個 legal tender 咧？咁啊好明顯唔係啦。咁啊一個 fun fact 啦，其實唔係 fun fact，係一個 fact 嚟嘅。咁就係咧，香港嘅 legal tender 咧係淨係得10蚊。吓？咁你唔係話咁50蚊、100蚊嗰啲咩？咁其實如果你喺嗰張紙、嗰張貨幣裏邊咧，你會見到呢個咧係寫住即付，唔知咩應付即收咁樣啦。係啦，咁咧其實佢唔係法定貨幣，因為三間發鈔銀行唔係 central bank 發出噶嘛。咁所以咧，曾經有時有間新聞咧，就係講緊有個人咧就 print 啲錢出嚟啦，500蚊啦，咁但係其實佢話印咗係法定貨幣，咁啊錯啦，因為法定貨幣係淨係得10蚊咁樣嘅，咁係啦，咁 means of a deferred payment 係啦，因為你之後先會去俾翻錢噶嘛，咁咪 value future payments are expressed in terms of 係啦，即呢個 expressed 嗰個 future payment 喺呢個 credit card 裏邊啦。credit card expressed future payment in terms of 睇先 expressed future amount of money 係啦 credit card express future amount of money 咁樣啦。咁啊 credit card are more trustworthy people。咁其實呢度因為佢唔係講緊你 trustworthy 先去借俾你，而係講緊佢嗰個，而係講緊咧嗰個 cost of handling 啊。因為咧你如果去 handle 啲 coin 啊，可能你就會有啲 transaction cost 啊咁樣。跟住咧就到999 gold 啦。咁咧其實999 gold 呢樣嘢咧就係99話明99，咁所以咧佢係好 standard 嘅，就一定係99你先可以係 gold 嚟嘅，唔係一定係99呢個品牌。咁所以其實佢就係 homogeneous 啦，顧名思義你一定要係99先係喎。咁咧仲有 durable 嘅，因為佢係唔會腐爛啦，好似啲對比水果佢唔係 perishable 啦。咁同埋佢 divisible，因為佢可以用嘅。咁啊銀嗰啲就未必得啦，銀就未必得啦。咁啊跟住 scare， 咁佢就唔係 scare， 佢因為 diamond 係更加 scare 嘅 ，diamond 係更加 scare 呢一串錯字。portable 啦，咁啊唔係 portable， 因為佢好重嘅。咁啊 generally accepted， 因為佢係真係有個 value 喺度嘅。咁例如佢喺 World War 裏邊啲人咧係唔會要錢㗎，因為佢可能已經燒晒啲錢，咁唯一有價值嘅就係 gold 咁樣啦。diamond 都係另外一個成日出嘅喎，咁 diamond 就係唔 divisible， 因為你一 divisible 咧，一跌快咗佢就 lose its value 喎，佢唔可以變咗 small unit 嘅，因為佢嗰個 value 就冇咗。咁啊 portable 啦，咁都幾 portable 嘅，咁又唔係好重嘅，相比起黃金，即係你會唔會戴好重嘅戒指出街？唔會嘛。咁啊 scare 定 gold 啦，咁啊因為係啦，有個 past paper 就講，雖然 ECS 即係 electro chemical series 都睇唔到啦，因為 durable 啦，因為佢係唔會好似水果咁 perishable 咁樣 potato， 咁啊顧名思義係 food 啦，咁所以佢係perishable。跟住咧就問 potato 係咪一個 good form of money？Not good form of money。點解啊？係咪 indivisible 咧？佢舉唔舉得開咧？其實舉得開嘅喎。Portable，not a good form of money 喎。portable 係一個好處嚟，咁所以唔係啦。咁係咪 homogeneous 啊？咁佢係一個佢係 homogeneous 嘅，但係佢係 not a good form of money， 即係錯啦。咁所以就係 perishable 啦。Can best serve as a money。重點係 in a desert， 即係沙漠。Sand 太多啦，嗰個 value 都 maintain 唔到。Water 太多啦。Potato， 頭先就講啦 ，potato 咧係 perishable 嘅。咁你可唔可以 maintain 到好耐啊？唔可以，咁所以就係 shell 啦。跟住就話 during World War 係啦。Gold 係更加 preferred than money， 因為 gold 係 more generally accepted 啦。money 咧係冇一個本質嘅價錢嘅。咁咧999 gold 咧係一個 better form of money 定係呢個翡翠。咁咧其實所有差唔多好多嘅 past paper 已經講晒喺度啦，真係好難嗰啲。咁啊唔寫啦，我唔係好識寫，唔係好記得。咁啊點解啊？因為佢 general accepted 啦，咁啱嘅。翡翠你都唔知你要唔要啦，gold咁貴喎，divisible 係啦，homogeneous 係啦，咁啊所以答案就係 D。Check are preferred to banknotes and coins when used it as a medium of exchange in large transactions because checks are more 即係如果你話要用一個 large transaction， 咁你哋知道個答案係咩未啊？咁就係 portable 啦，你唔使帶咁多錢喎。Electronic money 係咪一個錢？係啦。咁但係咧 credit card 係咪錢啊？問下大家先。其實就唔係咯。credit card 裏邊嘅錢就係錢，但係 credit card 本身唔係錢，因為你唔會用 credit card 嚟做交易嘅。demand deposit 都係啦 ，demand deposit 佢裏邊嘅錢係個錢，係啦。但係你 fail 係咯，唔會 express it in terms of demand deposit。anyway 係啦，咁佢唔可以 perform durable 啦，因為佢係 perishable， 咁所以佢都唔可以 store value。OK， 咁跟住 HKMA 啦 ，HKMA 咧只係需要記住4樣唔會有嘅嘢，係啦，我哋一齊寫啦。第一樣嘢即係 interest rate， 撚親所有嘅 interest rate 都係錯，除咗一樣，即係嗰個 discount rate， 即係金管局借貸俾3間發產行嘅價錢啦。第二樣嘢就係 fiscal policy， 佢唔會有任何干預，唔會 supervise， 係啦，呢一個係一個 pass rate 嘅，相信我。咁啊，跟住就有一個 clearing house 啦。咁呢個 clearing house 的確係一個 central bank 嘅 function， 咁但係咧呢一個 HKMA 咧同好多間一齊，咁所以其實佢唔係一個好 distinct 嘅 function， 咁所以呢一個就唔係，記住3個啦，仲有一個第4個係issue notes， 唔係 best answer 咯，但係佢係可以係一個 answer 嚟嘅，因為佢係 issue currency， 咁但係其實有啲 answer 都啱嘅，只不過有時 issue notes 未必係個 best answer 咁樣解咯。咁啊記住啦，就係呢一個 flick， 即係咁講係啦。咁但係 flick 係 HKMA， 咁咧係有好多嘅 fiscal reserve 啦，佢有個 exchange fund 啦。咁之後仲會講話佢會點樣去 maintain 一個嗰個mark， 唔係係啦，嗰個 exchange 即係 USD 去換港元啦。佢之後就會去講下佢點樣去換啦，因為佢會買賣去 maintain 個 stability 咁樣嘅。咁啊 being last resort 去俾一個 authorized institution 啦，即係佢俾任何嘅呢個權力機構，佢都即係例如嗰啲咩波民咁樣，佢都會俾佢哋借錢，如果佢哋債係啦 issue 呢個 legal tender。咁啊係啦 interest rate 咧，其實係 bank 佢呢啲都係 bank 去 determine， 咁唔係 for check clearing 啦。佢咁大間嘢做啲咁少嘅嘢係咪先 ？issue legal tender 10蚊係啦，其他嗰啲50蚊唔係 legal tender， 頭先已經講咗啦。finance the budget deficit no 係啦，任何關於 fiscal 一律都係 no， 冇關我事啦，我唔想搞咁多嘢，就係想搞 monetary 嘅咋，係啦。咁啊跟住就最尾啦，就講埋呢一個 deposit taking company 同 resecuritizing bank 啦。咁個口訣就係513，係啦，就係起碼要500K 啦、100K 啦 ，minimum 3個月，好快搞掂。口訣513，513 DTC 係下面嘅。OK，今日就嚟到呢度啦。